The ghost notes that seduce the generation. Today we smell Isa super. It's not a scent, it's a rumor. Like someone just walked past and you want to follow them, even if they were probably a Gemini. Some people can't smell it at all. Others say it smells like skin, clean skin, hot skin, expensive skin. It's a perfume equivalent of a low whisper in a loud room. I once wore Isa Super to a meeting, and the man said, you smell like success. I said, no, darling, I smell like danger with a good credit score. It's used in Molecular One, Dirty Hermes, and more flankers than I have exes. It's there, but not there. Like that mysterious stranger you only meet at duty free. Isa is super. It will not follow you home, but it will haunt your pillow.